Nice, nice. It's a LS swap. I think it's a 5.3. That's normal, right?
What? I scorched my finger.
Fucking Darius. Oh.
You were scared already?
Huh?
You're scared?
Am I? Oh, I ain't scared, Diego.
1, 2, 3, do it! Alright, welcome back to another video. We got a install. We got Louis in the house. Say hi. Don't be mad, Louis. It's okay.
I don't know anything.
Lord.
What do I know?
Yeah.
You know more than me.
We're taking the transmission out. You gotta be safe. You gotta put them big Jacksons.
It's like, ain't no transmission jack, but this is jack.
Is it Jackson, is it?
Yeah. Transmission jack?
Just a regular jack.
Regular jack.
I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? But yeah, it's a 1983 C10. It's got a Summit cam swap, or cam.
Whoa.
Cam kit. And then we got the FTI converter. I think it's a 32 to 36. Nice. We gotta put some fluid in it. It's a LS swap. I think it's a 5.3. Not sure. And then we took the AC compressor out because it's locked.
It's locked?
Or more than locked. Is it? Show it. Well, we thought it was just the clutch is locked.
Oh yeah.
The clutch, because you can see it's engaged, or I don't know. Yeah, it's together, like.
It's out of place
then
too.
We thought it was just locked, and we took it off.
Inside there is like.
You might be able.
You got the flashlight?
Yeah, you might be able to see you. Yeah, right there.
It's all cracked.
Yeah, it's
broken.
loose parts and shit. Shake it. Oh, that's normal, right?
Oh. Well, I don't know, dude. I don't know anything more.
I think it's just the fluid. But yeah, the owner's gonna bring a new AC compressor. I'm gonna put. Huh? Oh, part came out.
Part came out.
Yeah, that's not good. So that came out of it. More parts coming out.
There's like part of like a bearing.
Yeah, some shit. It looks like
you know
like on the inside of the bearing. Yeah, it came apart. Well, we don't need that.
No, you need a new one.
But yeah, it's a LS swapped. It's nice. It's got some nice gauges in it. Okay, it's clean. It's clean. It's got a nice cam in it. I think it's the paper's in here. I think it's too far to reach. Here. Oh, that's normal. It's a 222, 231 intake and exhaust. It sounds really nice. It's got shorty headers, and it's got an ETS pipe, and it's got some Flowmaster 40s.
It sounds like it has a 350 in it.
Yeah, it really does, man. Not gonna lie, I think I'm gonna go with this cam on my truck on Dinoco, and then I think I'm gonna put the ETS pipe and then those mufflers. Well, the same setup pretty much, because I really like the way it sounds. I'll show you guys once we finish. We'll turn it on and everything, but it sounds really nice.
Sounds like a classic.
Yeah, it really does sound like a 350. It sounds really deep. We already got everything. We got the cross member off. We got the flywheel bolts off. We got the starter off. You can guys see. What we were doing next is taking the transmission bolts around, like the connect to the back of the block. We went to the store and got a 15 dip socket because we didn't have any. I'll break a hand.
Dang, transmission light came out already.
It did. There's still one bolt though. You just see the. Ma, estamos haciendo un video. Transmission, it's all loose, ready to come out. Tempo, hopefully it goes smooth.
All the bolts are out.
Can any of you guys donate a jack? Both of our drugs are dead.
Because both of our jacks are all fucked.
We gotta
We've
hit
been
them.
having these jacks for a long time.
We gotta hit them. There you go.
They snapped.
Oh,
What?
I scorched my finger.
Fucking Dale, I didn't know if I should go up or down.
Ah,
Dale, you're getting hurt like everywhere in this truck.
you can see where. Mother of.
I fucking tried like see if it wiggles. I fucking pushed that way, and I tried pulling it back. It wouldn't pull back.
You scared the fuck out of me.
Remember the thing, this aluminum shit
Oh, yeah,
that
yeah.
I put to the side?
Which is like.
It was fucking squishing my finger against that.
So is it loose up?
Yeah. Oh.
It's like, wait, hold
Dude,
up.
it's the same finger that I showed you in the middle.
Okay, dude.
It's my ring finger. What's wrong with my ring finger?
You smashed your ring finger
Twice.
twice.
You want to go get a bag? Like, wait.
I can hold it. I got it over here.
You sure?
Yeah.
We'll be back.
5 hours later, Diego hasn't came back.
I want to go get a burger.
Damn, Diego, where'd you go?
What?
Where'd you go?
What?
Took like 5 hours to come back.
They were making homemade burgers.
Oh, did you bring me one?
No.
I forgot about you. So when I picked up the bag, I remembered you.
I was like, I thought I was coming for something. Well, man, it's got a hole in the back, so it's still gonna leak.
Oh shit.
Oh! Oh yeah, it's leaking. It's leaking. A lot.
A lot?
You want to put the jack out? Yeah. It's a bloody mess. You say you can't take out transmission on the... Without a lid.
Right? So we'd have to bring it out more?
Yeah. Alright, we just gotta wait for the guy to bring transmission fluid so we can fill that out. Shout out to Milwaukee sponsoring this video. Just kidding.
I wish. Oh, my hand got tired.
Oh god. The thing. I told you oil was gonna come up.
You didn't even tell me.
I actually told Louis I don't think oil was gonna come out, but never mind. Oh boy. There wasn't that much oil. Oh, I see the can.
Yeah.
Yeah. Put an oil in it. Gotta punch it out. Change this one.
Cleaning it up.
Got the new one over there.
New gaskets. And seal.
Not returnable if seal is broken. Well. I guess we have to do it now. It's a little crooked, but it's okay. I mean,
Now you have to.
it'll work.
So it better be sealed shit.
Should we try the trick where we can change it on like that? Should we do it?
Oh. Which way? You want this way?
Change it. Like. All right, it worked.
The second try.
Second try. We already did this one, but
So we
I
were
wasn't recording. Alright, but yep. Then we just gotta put this one on.
This is, how do we do that?
They say once you start YouTube, you're able to do that. I don't know. It's on.
I don't know. So
It's called like a YouTube edit,
Some kind of YouTube
magic
edit?
trick or some shit like that. I
Okay.
don't know. Yeah.
Oh.
Alright, we'll just put this one on.
This one you don't need no editing.
No,
It's already
down.
on there.
That one we just bolt it down.
There you go.
And then we'll torque it down, put the flywheel back on, and now the transmission can go on. Put some more fluid. Gotta make sure you fill up your converter, if not you're gonna burn it up. Lose this tire.
They end up getting the wrong stall, so.
Yeah, we Well, they gave us the wrong stall, so he had to go out to Summit last minute and get the other one, the right one. It wasn't sitting right on the pump, so we got the new one, or the other one, and now it's all the way in there, seated.
Ready to go back in?
Ready to go back in. We're gonna put it on the jack, and then I'm gonna be on this side. Lou's gonna be on this side, and then we'll push it up, or push it back, and then up, and hopefully it goes back in pretty smooth. And it's down. I finished.
9:38.
9:38.
Whole 12 hours. Wait, is
Yeah.
it 12 hours? Or?
After one wrong converter and struggling of putting it back in.
I think we didn't really struggle putting it back in.
Well, not really, but
putting it on
yeah.
The jack.
New compressor in there. Okay. I think that's it.
You gotta fill it up.
Turn it on, or check it right now. See how low it is right now. Fill it up to the mark, and then turn it on. I'm pretty sure it's gonna go back down, then keep filling it back up until where it says it should be. Live. Add fluid. Add some. The neighbors hate me. Yeah. The neighbor hate us. Pretty good, I think. Yeah, I was thinking we should take it to the fucking stores right here and fucking do this.
But does it go like back and forth?
It should, yeah.
It actually drove a lot more smoother. Cause right now when Diego was over there, he had to give it a lot of gas. It ran smoother, no? Cause I remember when you were over there, you had to press it a lot. Nah, I think it's like 2 steps over there and shit.
I got 2 steps too.
Oh, okay. It's a little blip, blip, blip. Right, when you took off, like actually. Like,
I had to give it like 3,000 RPM.
Yeah,
barely like.
Sorry about the wind, guys, but we got the light, so we don't have to be over there disturbing neighbors.
Don't get your feet wet.
I know. First test drive.
You scared already?
Huh?
You're scared?
You might say, oh, I ain't scared, Diego.
You ain't got headlights?
Oh yeah, you gotta turn them on.
I do. Where?
In the bottom right there. You gotta pull it. Is it on?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're on.
The beard.
Oh, yeah, I got you, dude.
I wonder if I could let go of the gas.
I doubt it. Oh, you got friends behind it. Shit, pretty good.
Yeah. Sound like it's better than before.
Right? Hey, why your headlight pointing that way? I can't dig him.
You can barely see.
Dale's headlight's pointing like over there.
Home sweet home. Can the neighbor say this?
Maybe.
Comes out screaming and shit.
Hey, man. Say, I gotta work tomorrow. Is that me too?
Yeah, I do.
Alright, time to head home. It's been late. I got work tomorrow. Oh, we're taking the Yukon. Now why don't you take your truck?
Too loud.
Way too loud.
That's gonna be it for today's video. We got little things left on the truck, just the AC compressor leaking. We just gotta replace the little gasket. We need like maybe 1 quart of oil left.
Transit fluid.
Transit fluid. Go subscribe to Lou's YouTube channel.
Oh, we got some big news for the car. Something bad happened.
Yeah, he'll make a video about it. Something bad happened to his car, so again. So
It's not the motor. No.
yeah, something else now. So go subscribe to his YouTube channel, and that's gonna be it for today's video. We'll see you guys on the next video.